the idea for doing today's session was actually we have never asked the students, what do you think? What do you feel? And we also know the practical realities. We are not a very rich area. Most of us are from quite poor, difficult backgrounds. So this is a chance for you to express yourself as a student, your perspective. What do you think? There is no right or wrong. It's just your expression. We should, as human beings, as responsible students and responsible members of society, be able to express our ideas and opinions freely. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time is up. Everyone, thank you for participating. To be fair to everyone, please stop your written work and you can start getting ready for your oral submission.
Hello everyone. Good morning everyone. As you all know, my name is Latin Halkib. I'm studying in class 9. I'm going to speak about our online classes, my perspective. Online classes are simply taking class through online or through the internet. Online classes are taken worldwide by students and their teachers through different types of apps, and the most used app in the world is Zoom. Zoom is an app which is very useful to everyone as it allows more than the capacity needed. Online classes need internet to work. I think these online classes are very useful for us, that is the students as well as the teachers, especially during this pandemic. As we all know, this virus is very sensitive for human beings. The slightest touch can get a person infected really quick. So we must work together and help each other out so that these classes remain equal as of the normal classes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Well done. Good clap. Okay. Okay.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Sagun Hao Dongel. I study in class 10 in Lighthouse School. I live in Pangpupi, Ward number 3. Today I'm going to speak on the topic of online classes for a student's perspective. According to students' perspective, it can be useful to learn from online classes due to the effect of lockdown. Students have lost their interest in learning their syllabus. This can become a major problem in the future. There's no definite time for studying. Time is unmade, but the invention of online class, we can have time management and revert the interest for books back. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hendrathong Dongel, and I study at 10th standard. And this morning, I will be speaking on the topic of online class. According to my perspective, with online education, we the students can turn anywhere with internet access and electricity into a classroom. It includes audio, video, live chat, text, and animation and recording. As online classes is beneficial and convenient for the students, but now due to the effect of lockdown, we the students didn't have the opportunity to come back to school, but we still have the app Zoom to join the group meeting, and it is a beneficial way for the students. And lastly, I would like to conclude that online education has brought a positive impact on the lives of the students. Thank you.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. This morning I would like to share a few words on the topic of online class. This online class is a better way of learning for students who are not able to attend classes during this lockdown. Even to this present day, because of this lockdown, students are not able to come back to school, maintaining social distancing by staying at home. Online class is good for students who really want to study, hard by not staying at home. During this lockdown, students might stay freely at home, and instead of them taking a few classes for 1 or 2 hours a day is good for them instead of staying freely. Online class has also some disadvantages, like for some students who will not be able to afford to buy a touchscreen phone or pay net pack from time to time. Some students might get the chance of demanding a new touchscreen phone. Lastly, I would like to say that the disadvantage of online class is that The student joining the class will learn more than the student staying at home without studying, not even doing online class. Thank you, sir.
Good morning to everyone. Today I will be sharing on online class. Online class is a way of learning for students and teachers. Online class gives students the opportunity to plan study time around the rest of the day instead of the other way around. Students can study and work at their convenience. Online class is also one of the most important for students during this pandemic period. There are some disadvantages of this online class, which include when there is a bad network connection and low quality, only a few face-to-face interaction or no interaction at all. Some students who could not afford laptop or mobile phones, etc., which give pressure on their parents. Lastly, I would like to say that as a student, we must always read our books during this lockdown and not just depend on online class. Thank you.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone present in these online classes. I am Hoiniren Hoki from class 10. This morning, I will be sharing a short topic on online classes. Education and training play a great role in the life of people. A big quantity of new and necessary information appears every minute. Online classes is necessary because it allows to study in accordance with their personal qualities and educational needs. Online classes have not only advantages but several drawbacks. Online classes requires more time than on-campus classes. It requires good time management skills. It may create a sense of isolation. And lastly, I would like to say that online classes has got a positive impact in the life of students and working professionals. Every student must take this opportunity to gain more knowledge and more information about their book. Thank you.
A very good morning to my dear friends and to my principal. This morning I'll like to share a short speech on the topic of online class. And according to my perspective, taking online class during this lockdown is a good thing, and it is a good initiative taken up by our school. And also there are many ways to take online class, and the app which we are using now, it's Zoom, and obviously we all know how to use it. The importance of taking online class, it's not only joining in it but also taking initiative and cooperation between the teachers and the student. Lastly, I would like to say that there should be a teamwork between the students and to be obedience during classes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And congratulations and well done to each and every one of you. And we got some very interesting inputs. I'll just say that yes, cooperation is very important. And yes, you can look at the positive side or the negative side. It's whichever you choose to look at it. But the fact is that online classes are the only way at the moment in which we can have some interaction with the student. And as far as possible, we'll try to keep it going. Of course, as I said, it's not a permanent solution, but it is what it is. And we got to learn to live with it and try to make the most of it. So don't just look at the negative side, look at the positive sides. And I'm thankful to each and every one of you. At least you have given a perspective from your side. And this will also help us in planning and scheduling and other details. Remember, everything that we do is for you.